What's up, everybody? YL with Blockchain Academics. The whole crypto market's taking a huge dip. We're going to go right into that. I'm going to just post What's up, everybody? The video into the Discord, and we're going to get right started. So just give me 1 second. Okay, perfect. So yeah, that was a nasty dip, but that was very well needed. Like Bitcoin's been on a tear for the last month, for the last couple months, honestly. And if you are thinking about buying this dip, I would highly suggest doing so, especially if you don't have any Bitcoin. If you've been watching it from the sidelines, I think that this is the dip we've kind of been waiting for. Can it go lower? Definitely. It can definitely go lower, but not that lower. I don't think we're going to see 24K USD, 25K USD. And I think that we are going to hold, like, this is the next area that I'm looking for right here, kind of the 28 region, all the way down to potentially 25K. Even that, I don't think we're going to do, because I think a lot of people are waiting for, for this pullback to get in. You can see Ethereum as well, nasty pullback. I was looking at this yesterday, and I actually went long. So 987 is the price, the near the price that I went long, and I didn't catch the bottom, and I don't think that I'll catch the bottom when these dips happen. I won't catch the bottom most of the time. I could get lucky and get near bottom, but I definitely don't think like you'll catch the bottom every time, but I am looking for this to kind of regain, kind of make a V like we saw right here. Maybe we have a 1 to 4 day pullback, as Tone Vase loves to say, the 1 4 day consolidation. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we kind of went up, and then not only went up, we broke above. And you can see that this is kind of looks super similar. So from here to the bottom, it was about 21%. This one's a larger crash. We have from the top to the bottom, 31%. You even have CBC, what is this? CNN saying that Bitcoin plunged and now it is in a bear market. So don't listen to these guys. They're just trying to take your Bitcoins, and we're just holding into a bull market. Still going to be tricky. You're going to want to sell. You may get bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, but just take in consideration we're not far, or we are far still from October, December, where those historical tops have been in these bull markets. So for Ethereum, I posted this yesterday, and I said when we're getting close to all-time high with Bitcoin, we did the same thing. When we got close to all-time high with Bitcoin, you can see here we pulled back, and this is on the weekly. We pulled back, so I had my Ethereum buy orders ready, and I posted that in the Discord. So make sure to join the Discord. You can ask any questions you want. We're posting trading opportunities. We're gonna have contests soon, and we have a lot of great things coming. So as I said, Bitcoin was breaking its all-time high. We kind of dropped 20%, and I said Ethereum is gonna do the same thing, and I posted that yesterday. So I had my buys all ready, and we pulled back now. So perfect. I still have some buys lower if Ethereum does decide to drop somewhere like here or on the 4-hour. You never know. Maybe test this lower, just break it. So like these are all points. Like anything could happen. We can get another swipe. You can see that. Okay, we're not too oversold on the daily. You see, this still could dip here. Definitely could dip. Let's get back to Bitcoin. Litecoin took a huge drop, 27%. And I'm hoping that it can work its way back. You're seeing some bullishness on all of these. Look at these dojis right here. So let's go back to Bitcoin and XRP. Who really freaking cares about XRP? So if you have any questions, you can post them in the chat, and I'll get to them. So with Bitcoin, and my friends are texting me right now, like, should I get into Bitcoin? I'm going to tell them, like, this is the dip. This is the dip that they need to get in. Because I want to tell everybody, like, this is a healthy dip. Like, look at on the weekly. We've been coming, like, from last month, just from December, right here, 130%. You know what I mean? So what's a 30% pullback in a bull market? Well, that's totally normal. And then from here, from the bottom, we had a pullback of 16%. So this is totally normal. This is, in my opinion, more of like a shakeout. This is shaking out all those like new retail investors that came in and that are kind of new to crypto. But this is definitely normal. And I think that we can, like I said, we can potentially see these levels getting swiped. Like I was saying, I can definitely see, what did I draw it here? No, I didn't. So I can definitely see Bitcoin coming down to these levels and actually testing these levels as well. This is a major support here as well. And then this is a major support. So I think a lot of people are on the sidelines waiting for that purchase, but you can see here, like when we dropped down, like this oversold this quickly, we propelled pretty quickly. We made this W or V, whatever you want to call it, shape, and we came back down. So that's what I'm thinking we're going to do with Bitcoin. Like we may come up here, test, like that would be beautiful if we did something like this. We come back up very quickly. If the bulls are out to play, we'll just keep smashing through. But I think we'll come back down. We test this area and then keep going. So definitely super happy. And you can see almost this head and shoulders, but no, that's not going to play out. I'm super, and maybe we get this huge, ooh, that would be cool. We get this head and shoulders, and this is the largest bear trap in history. We have everybody sell their Bitcoin here. And then we just break above this. So there's a ton of things that can happen. Let's see it on the moving averages and MSR. I wanted to show you guys this as well. With MSR, you're going to see that this was a buy. And you can see that we haven't necessarily hit the remove drawings. Just 1 second. We've not necessarily hit the moving average, but you can see that every time we get close or we do tap it, it is a buy. So you can see from when we went bull at 9,600, we're buying here, buying here, buying here, and Bitcoin's breaking out. When we get lucky enough, so this is from July all the way till September, that's when we got that drop. So sometimes these are multi-month drops, like we're waiting months for these drops to get lucky enough to see these drops, to add on to our positions and things like that. So you can see here, as well, after we grinded our way back up, we broke above. And from, where's this? This is from October all the way to November. So, okay, just a month. We came back, tested the 200 EMA, kept going. We made another higher low right here. We didn't test this low, made another higher low. This is almost like ascending triangle, you can kind of say. Right here, ascending triangle, we broke above, and you can kind of see that these patterns are very like very similar to the prior price action that Bitcoin keeps making. So you can see that Bitcoin is on its way to test its 200 EMA. And you can see here previously that every time it's done that, it's a great buying opportunity. That's why I'm saying we can see another sweep to the low and maybe actually test this zone. Let's look on the daily. That would be testing the 50 EMA on the daily, about 26K. So that's very possible as well. And then testing the 400 EMA on the 4 hour, that'd be around 28K, and I have some buys there as well. So I got some buys in now. I got some buys in if Ethereum dips as well. I definitely have some buys for cheaper Ethereum. And you can see here, like, pullbacks are normal. We push up really quickly, pull back, push up really quickly, pull back, push up really quickly. And this one's just more of a major pullback. There's things that you don't want to do in a bull market, and that's like be over leveraged. In this drop, it does hurt your overall portfolio, and it's like, damn, Bitcoin should keep going up, but no market just keeps shooting up. So this is good that we're getting some healthy retracements like in the middle or in the beginning, because the bull market is nowhere near end. October, November, December. Usually October or December are historic tops for Bitcoin. They're historic tops for bull runs. So we're in January, and if we're just snapping, that could be because the U.S., what they're going through, the U.S. dollar is going to shit. Trump's going to be impeached very soon. I heard that's happening like today. His payment processors are denying him for what do you call it, for his donations and things like that. So you may turn to Bitcoin like this. We're watching potentially the US collapse, and Bitcoin is definitely very bullish on it. Very, very bullish. This is a drop where I'm getting everybody basically, I can tell, to buy this dip. Ethereum as well. Oh, that's Bitcoin. This is not Bitcoin. You see, look at how we're on some serious support right here. We're on some serious support, and I'm letting everybody know that this is definitely a great spot to buy Bitcoin on this pullback. It can maybe swipe one more downtime to the low, but after that, I don't think so. And when it does, like, you get these wicks like this, like you have to buy super friggin' quick or it's gone. I think getting in your entries here, being long, you can't go wrong. So let's look at some potential targets for Bitcoin. So, where is Bitcoin going to potentially go after? Let's look on the 3-day. I want to find, okay, right here. So this is kind of looking at market structure. I'll remove all drawings. And looking at market structure, like I'm going to look at the highs and lows. So I'm going to take the Fibonacci from the low right here, which is a higher low, to the high point. So A to B essentially. And right now we're holding on the 38.2. Let's see on the daily if this is, yeah, you see what we could have done. There's a lot of places we could do it from. Right here or right here. That's probably a little bit better. We had this huge dip as well. Let me go on the 4-hour because we retraced almost 100% of this move from 29K. We retraced almost 100% of it. So I'm going to actually look at it on a bear time frame from about right here. If we hold the 38.2, I think we could slingshot. I think for a lot of people's targets are like the 46, but I even think we could slingshot a lot higher and potentially go to 57. I think a lot of people think we're going to top out at 50. A lot of people are going to go short at 50. They think maybe because that's a round number as well, a lot of psychology around that number. It's half of 100K too. So I think that a lot of people might try to go short. Will kind of like whatever it is, just keep breaking past it, in my opinion, potentially even go straight to the 70s. That's what I was thinking. Obviously, you'll have those pullbacks, but I was thinking maybe we'll get into the 70s, high 60s. And if the bulls are really pushing this, we can get into, the low 80s, and then have that pullback maybe in the summer that, where is this? Yeah, June, in the summer, have that huge pullback, something pretty major. So if we did get up here, we'd have that huge pullback, 40%, which would be testing this fib as well. And back to like, what is it, 49K from 86K, something major. People will think like, yo, Bitcoin's done. This is it, bear market, like friggin' CNN thinks it's a bear market. Or they posted this today. This will age well. And then not only that, we will see it just keep going and going and going, and it'll blow all of these. And 140K would be perfect. So that's like pretty much it. I just wanted to let you guys know. Ethereum as well. I really think if we break the all-time high here, everything what's happening with DeFi, everything that all the money that's going into it, it also pulled back today, but there's some huge projects, especially with all the Ethereum locked into ETH 2.0 and into all the DeFi projects. Like there's a shortage of it. So potentially could blow up, especially with everybody like flocking to the second coin, which is a bit cheaper than Bitcoin. So it's kind of like people are thinking, oh, I can't afford a full Bitcoin. I can probably buy an Ethereum, or I could buy a Litecoin, or like XRP. But most people, like, these are the kind of the top ones: XRP, Litecoin, ETH, and then you have everybody has their favorite coin or whatnot. So we're pretty oversold on the 15 minutes. Like, I don't know how much selling we can still definitely get that huge wick down, and I think it'll be like an impulsive sell off, like very quick sell off, and it'll be a quick buy. Like, it'll just be a huge wick. It'll be a huge wick, kind of like a stop hunt, activate orders, and then just start pushing up back into our highs, and hopefully we can just put this behind us. This is going to be very normal. Holding into pullbacks, or holding into the bull market in these pullbacks, it's crazy. Like, holding in, like, what am I trying to say? It's very hard to hold in a bull market as well, because you do not want to get shaken out of the market, nor do you want to lose Bitcoin in a bull market. So my tip is, if you're going to be trading on Bybit, which you should join our Discord if you aren't already, we're doing a lot of margin trading, not high leverage, because I don't recommend that. But I was going to say, if you have like a low leverage long here, you don't necessarily need to catch the bottom, because my long was around 31.2 right here. And it's like, okay, it did dip $1,000 less. Am I crying? No, I'm actually happy with that position. And I think I did have a little smaller one at 32K as well. Not going to lie. And then I will add to my position, like down here and down here. And then I'll add a bigger position down here if we get that low. And I don't think we're going to get that low. And same with ETH. The position that I got was actually like 980. And it's almost around there. So like, I wasn't going to time the exact bottom, 922, even though some accounts I do have different positions. But I'm happy with this, because shit, like, I can't be greedy. Look, back to its all-time high, not to its actual all-time high, back to the all-time high from here, it's 47%. And I saw somebody tweet saying, I can't believe Ethereum's 5% away from its all-time high. Now it's 47% away from its all-time high. And then the actual mark that I want to sell is around the $2,000 mark, or somewhere around there. That'll be almost 100% on my long. That is actually 100% on my long. So I want to double the Ethereum, or the position that I took. And I think after this long, it's nothing crazy. Maybe I'll make 5 to 7 Ethereum at $2,000. That's like 14 plus K, or 10K. I didn't even know what I did right there. It's like 10K on 5 ETH. That would be nice. And then I could do a giveaway. You know what I mean? And I'll do a giveaway. So that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow. If we're dipping, I'm going to keep posting these opportunities for us to get into. Definitely, if it keeps dipping, I'll go live and I'll let you guys know to keep buying, because this is very normal. And we're still in the uptrend. Nothing's changed. I deleted all my indicators. Okay, perfect. I got it. So you can see on the 4-hour, we're still on a buy. We're still on a buy. This is normal. We're in a mega bull run too, guys. Not only that, we're in a mega bull run. So you can see here, this is very normal. Come down to this point. Oh, this is Ethereum. I keep thinking we're in Bitcoin. Remove drawings. This is still mega normal. We're still in a mega bull run. You know what I mean? Bitcoin's still in a mega bull run. So if you look at the history, and for the new guys who are probably here just for the first time, let us look at the back. You know what I mean? So let's go to BTC USD, and I'll end it like this. Bitstamp 2012. Let's put the log, and then let's go. So let's go. 2012 to, you can see here how when we broke this all-time high in 2012, we broke it, and where did we go? 16 bucks. Okay, I want to get a better one actually. This is like a better one. The all-time high was 254 here. You can see here how we tested that perfectly. $600%. and from the bottom, we won't do from the bottom, but if we do from the high price 260 to 1179, that is 352%. Now let's go from 1166. You can see here 1166, and this is when I started getting into Bitcoin. The perfect timing, actually. I got into Bitcoin before it broke its all-time high of 2013. So like that was fun, and I got some Bitcoin around here actually. So yeah, thankful to whoever got me into Bitcoin. So you can, anyways, let's get back into this. So let's go from 1153 to the top. That's 1500%. And now let's go to the current all-time high. And you can see when we hit that, we were lagging. You know what I mean? Like we pulled back, which is normal. That's why I thought Ethereum is going to pull back. And you can see here, when we hit the all-time high, we pulled back. This is normal. And when we went above the all-time high, let's see. We went above about 100. No, let me do this correctly. Magnet. Why the hell are you on Magnet? Okay. Oh, damn it. Look at this. Look at this, guys. All-time high was right here. We went above. This is 142% above the all-time high, and then we pulled back down. Yo, I'm a genius, boys. 37%. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Now here, from all-time high, we did 130%. I know that's the figure, but we're at 202, but we did 130%. And now from the top, right there, we've pulled back almost 37% as well. Okay, we're at 28%. And what would be 37? 37 would be a major like 26. That's where I think if we do sweep one more low, we could hit the 27%. So this is like in alignment with how Bitcoin moves. This is literally in alignment of how Bitcoin moves. So if we got another 66% approximately move above the high here, 66%, we could see it at 70K. And then let's see from the top here, 70K, 300%. So from 70K, we're just following the same type of, same type of movements, man. Don't hit on me. 290K. Whoa. Crazy talk. So yeah, this is super normal. You can see we just like dissected the old chart, and I'm going to post this on TradingView because I'm a wizard, and I'm going to be posting this in the Discord. So this is normal. Let's just look at one more time. Let's look at one more time. This was the bull run. This was the bull run here. Oof, that exploded. That exploded without nobody, that exploded like nobody's business, bro. Damn. Okay. That's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to post this in the Discord. I'll be live tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Stack them sats here. This is the spot to do it. Stack them up. Stack them up, boys and women.